Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the ultimate AI-powered flagship experience. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has officially landed, and it's not just another smartphone, it's a visionary leap into the future of mobile technology. With groundbreaking AI capabilities, a professional-grade camera system, and a refined titanium design, the S25 Ultra is engineered for power users, creatives, and tech enthusiasts who expect nothing short of excellence. Let's break down everything that makes this device a true game changer. Design that blends elegance and durability. The Galaxy S25 Ultra stuns at first glance, and impresses even more when in hand. The titanium frame not only exudes premium appeal but offers exceptional durability without adding bulk. Protected by Corning Gorilla Armor 2, it's more resistant than ever to scratches, cracks, and accidental drops. The device also retains the iconic built-in S Pen, giving you instant access to note-taking, sketching, and multitasking tools right out of your pocket. Rated IP68 water and dust resistant, it's ready for anything life throws your way, whether you're on a mountaintop or in a coffee shop. Color options that make a statement. Samsung has gone all in with an elegant color palette that blends modernity with minimalism. Standard finishes: titanium silverblue, titanium black, titanium gray, titanium white, titanium jet black. Samsung.com exclusives: titanium jade green, titanium pink gold. Each hue has been carefully designed to reflect light subtly, adding sophistication to every angle. Galaxy AI, your personal genius assistant. The S25 Ultra isn't just smart, it's brilliant, thanks to powerful AI integration powered by Google Gemini and Samsung's on-device intelligence. Brain, top Galaxy AI features. Press, talk, done. Long press the side button to summon Gemini and perform multi-step tasks across apps using natural language. Gemini Live, engage in real-time AI chats, analyze images, generate creative content, and brainstorm on the fly. Now Brief, receive personalized daily insights including weather, schedule, energy scores, and smart reminders. Circle to search, instantly search anything on your screen, just circle it. Works with text, images, and even Song ID. Audio Eraser, remove distracting background sounds from your videos, perfect for content creators and vloggers. Custom AI filters, build and apply your own photo filters using AI analysis of your favorite shots. Pro Visual Engine, a camera that outshines the rest. Samsung's Pro Visual Engine turns the Galaxy S25 Ultra into a photography powerhouse. Whether you're shooting in daylight, moonlight, or motion, this camera setup handles it all with ease. Camera hardware. 200MP wide-angle, ultra-high resolution with advanced detail capture. 50MP ultra-wide, ideal for expansive landscapes and macro shots. 50MP telephoto, 5x optical zoom, up to 10x optical quality zoom. 10MP telephoto, 3x optical zoom for flexible framing. 12MP front camera, crisp selfies and ultra-clear video calls. Crescent moon, standout camera features. AI nightography, sharp, noise-free low-light photography and video. Expert RAW and log video, full manual control and pro-grade editing options. 100x space zoom, AI-enhanced digital zoom for capturing faraway subjects in detail. Object-aware engine, AI-powered portraits with lifelike skin tones and background separation. Unrivaled performance that keeps up with you. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite for Galaxy, custom optimized for insane speed and efficiency. High voltage sine, 37% faster CPU for smoother multitasking. Video game, 30% boosted GPU performance for next level gaming. Robot, 40% faster AI processing for real-time enhancements and responsiveness. Picture frame, pro-scaler AI upscaling for richer visuals, sharper textures, and immersive graphics. Battery and storage, go further, store more. Battery, up to 31 hours of video playback on a single charge. Floppy disk, up to 1 TB of storage paired with 12 GB RAM, enough for your entire digital life, and then some. High voltage sine, fast charging plus wireless power share for charging on the go and helping others juice up too. One UI 7, smarter, simpler, more personalized. With One UI 7, Samsung brings deeper AI integration and smoother user experience to every interaction. Mobile phone, now bar, a dynamic new toolbar for instant access to your music, alerts, smart home devices, and timers. Jigsaw, Live widgets and notifications, context-aware widgets that adapt based on your activity. Artist palette, theming and customization, tailor everything from fonts to animations to color palettes. Switching has never been easier. Recycle, smart switch, seamlessly migrate from iOS or Android in just a few taps. Outbox, quick share, share large files instantly across Galaxy devices with no quality loss. Final verdict, a leap, not a step. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just another upgrade, it's a bold new chapter in smartphone innovation. With AI woven into every layer, a camera system that rivals DSLRs, and a design that balances toughness with sophistication, it's the ultimate Android flagship of 2025.